What's up, everybody? We've been given a gift. Market up or down? Market is down. It is time to move the money. We did get filled, so let's make sure we double check our spreadsheet here. We have MTB at 143.79. Check. And Bank of America at 31.99. Hey, look, we got a better fill. Now, in my opinion, this is the most high quality stock. This is number 2. This is number 3. So, if you want, we can do them just like so. But this is a hierarchy. Now, you will find the stocks that you like when you set up your universe. If you haven't done that, I strongly suggest you watch my video, how to set up your universe, how I like to set mine up, things that I look for. But basically all it is what's important to you. To me, it's income security. I want stocks that increase the dividend for decades and never cut it. That's just what my priority is. If you might want to be more focused on growth. You don't care if they cut it. Maybe you're younger, and it's okay if it cuts a few times along the way, as long as it goes back up. But that's the way I have mindset, and that's the way it is. So let's see how much cash we have. $176. Let's do a quick look at the charts. I took a bunch of positions today. If you want to see those, check the blog out. I went crazy. I went all in. Not all in. Never all in. But that's how I can buy every day. And that's the whole trick to it. MTB, DBIs, under 30, RSI is what I'm looking for. Just make sure we're still good. We are still good on all of them. But if you see the market today, the market was down, right? But look at the volume. The volume went up. It's food for thought. So I'm happy to get as much money as we can get in here, but we're going to go by priority, okay? That's basically a long way to say we're going to buy Bank of America first. Then if we have enough money, we're going to buy this guy. What's 71? That should take all of our money. All right, let's get in. Get your math hat on. First of all, we need to cancel this sell here. Bink. Still got our 3-day trades, which is nice. But when we buy this, if it does sell tomorrow, that will trigger, right? So I don't know what I did, but wrong button. First trigger is the second. So we are going to buy one at 31.77, which is where we're sitting here. Now we need to find out what our sell price is going to be. 31.77. Didn't really fall that much, less than 1%. Okay, so the simple math is to add these two, divide by 2, and that's your average. You can also do this guy, and it pops out right here. So we want to take 31.88. Sorry, it's been a long day. I'm going to use a calculator. Times 1.01. If you want to figure it out for yourself, pause the video. We are going to sell 2 shares for 32.19. I got. You can round it up. It's not a big deal if you want to. Limit orders, good till cancel with the extended. Buying 1, selling 2. Let's send it. We didn't get bought. MTB. Come on. They must know I'm tired. They just want to stall me. Afraid I'm gonna make a mistake. It ain't gonna happen. Got this. 141.01. First triggers the second. This one I believe fell more. Yeah, it fell $3. So that's 2% almost. Alright. So 141.01. Now we'll leave this to y'all to figure out our sell price. 141.01. Pause the video if you need to. It's going to take me a few seconds to move this around. 141. But then I'm going to hit you with it. So, and you should be doing it by yourself. I mean, you shouldn't have to watch these videos too long to figure out this is something that I can identify with and it meshes with me and I'm good. Maybe I'm going to change a few things, but this is kind of where I'm going. And you figure it out pretty simple and move on. And just check in to make sure you're still on track. That's kind of the way I did it when I learned from other folks. 142. But nobody ever showed me this. I had to come up with it on myself. Using pieces I learned from other folks. So this is what I come up with. It seems to work for me. And if it can help be part of whatever you decide to make up for yourself, that's cool. So, we got our sell price. Cool, we're going to sell it for about what we bought the first tranche for. We're going to sell 2 of them for $143.82. We want to limit, good till cancel with the extended. Let's hit it. I don't know what I did here. I hit something wrong. It's proof you don't have to be smart to make money in the market. So we're in, right? We got, we'll see if the orders fill overnight. How much cash do we have left? $3.83. So we're not going to go looking for a $3 stock. It's okay. And it's okay if this stuff doesn't sell for a few days. But what you really want to notice, this is part of the mindset piece. The market went all the way up here, shook out a bunch of people, made a double top here, right? And started going down. So even if this keeps going down, we're not in at the top. We started in here and we averaged in here. So our average is somewhere in here, right where all this support is. Something else I wanted to point out to y'all. I'll have to make it small so you can see. The price where we're at, the reason I'm so excited is because, look, this was resistance, right? When we broke out, this has been support. See, 1, 2, 3 touches. You also have, it was support here, see? You see the dotted line? Then it was also resistance here, see? Boom, boom. Then it broke out, right? Oh, and then it was support here, right? Boom, boom. This is a very important price. This price doesn't hold, we're likely going down. You know, there are other points along the way, like this one. You can see all the touches here. But we're likely going down, which is okay. We have a company in DBI that allows us to be, oh, look at that. How much are we investing every week? $10 a week. We'll be able to buy 1 share every week, however long it takes. We'll start the snowball effect. We'll go smallest to biggest, just like we did with 3M. And look how well that worked out. You know, you just can't let your mind get in your own way. You have to believe without the shadow of a doubt that over a long period of time, this stuff's going up. And even if it doesn't go up, we use math to average down and get out. So either way, we're good. Might be a little bit less activity. Maybe we'll fire up the old paper trade, which is what you should be doing even when you don't have any money. and get your universe of stocks ready. Get on it. If you've just been kind of hanging out and just checking in, get your shit together. Get it on. Get your whole thing going. This is my whole universe here. That's all right here. All these right here. That's all what we're working with. Every day, I'm looking at these, all of them. That's how I check for my gaps. Do you guys see my website? This is what I'm looking for right here. See how this makes a gap? That's all I'm looking for. And I can check real quick, this fast. And I'm just looking for anything over here over 1%. That, combined with this, combined with an investment account, it's over. You're rich. Then you start having cash flow. And that's what it's all about. You got to have money coming in when you're not coming into work. I hope this is helpful. I'm real excited for this account. I think it's going to do awesome. Every time I looked in the future, see the histogram started going up and then boom, dumped out. But if you go back, look at this. That was a reversal point here. Look at this one here. That was a reversal point, right? Blink. Look at here. Oh, reversal point. So yeah, I think this stuff's going to go good. So even if the hopefully the stuff sells or buys and then sells and we'll be out. But if not, we'll get our sell orders in tomorrow night and have a great weekend. So I hope this was helpful. I hope y'all are doing good, working hard, taking good care of the family, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Have an awesome night.